Hey everybody, it's Beverly, also known as BB, and welcome back to my channel. And you're probably going, what kind of a mess is this? Well, I'm going to turn the camera around slowly and hopefully not make you dizzy. See those? Those are hurricane shutters. So our whole house is shuttered up, waiting for Dorian to decide what he's going to do. And it's been like this since Friday afternoon here. Those of you following the storm know it's just sitting on top of the Bahamas and decimating them. So we will keep praying for them, and as soon as planes could get in there, we'll be donating relief supplies. It's just awful. The island's just, part of it is just decimated. So keep those people in your prayers. So before the storm hit, I knew I'd want to do some crafts because normally the power goes out here, but we've been very, very lucky. So this is my pre-hurricane retail therapy. So first I'm going to start off with the Dollar Tree. And these are a couple of the signs that I got to make wreaths with. So these are really cute. I got 2 of those. And I think I'm going to hang this up at work because we have a fantasy football league, and I'll hang this up at my desk. This is another sign that I'll be making a wreath with. And so for $1, you can't go wrong. And I got 2 packs of this natural raffia. I don't know if you can see my little pumpkin back there, but I'm going to do another video on that separately. That is a pumpkin made out of splatter guards from the Dollar Tree. And this Southern Girl can, I'll try to remember to put a link, but when I do that video, I'll put a link to her channel. She's awesome, and that's where I got the idea from. And I bought 4 of these metal words. It's thankful, harvest, and welcome. And they're good quality, and this says harvest in the middle there. And I did get a bunch of the Dollar Tree artificial flowers for that, so that worked out well. And I got 5 of these decorative shreds. I have another project I'm working for work. I'm making little pumpkin baskets out of paper for all of the assistants, and I'm going to fill that up with Halloween candy, so I'll show you those when those are done. And I got some couple lights. They're getting in their Halloween stuff, so I'm getting little by little. I'll probably make a wine bottle and light that up. So I got 2 of those. I got black and the copper chenille stems, pipe cleaners, whatever you want to call them. And I got 1 package of these easels. These are good to display cards, especially if you're taking a picture or doing a video, so that works out good. And I got 1 of these extra large storage bags, just in case. This was pre-hurricane prep, in case we needed to put something in it. So I think that was it from the Dollar Tree. Next is Tuesday morning. I really didn't get much there. This is Spellcast, a stamp set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stamps. That was $2.99. And there's the code, but I don't know if you can call the stores anymore and find out on that. Doris had some dies in. I have my Cricut, but every once in a while it's just easier to pop one of these in the Sizzix and hand crank it out. So it's always good to have squares. This is a Sizzix Textured Impressions embossing folder, and it's a telegram. And this was another 20% off, so that was a good deal. This one is 2 embossing folders. It's the postcard and just like a distressed edge. That was $3.99, and then you got another 20% off of that. And This is some napkins with script and hydrangeas and butterflies. So I'm going to be making another light up wine bottle for a girl at work who wanted one. That was $4.99, and the yellow and orange were 20% off. Okay, my next one is JoAnne's, and I really didn't get too much from there. This says Explore, and everything from camp and craft was 90% off. So this was $6.99 at 90% off, so that was a good deal. All the little maker stuff, the summer was 90% off. This was $3.99 and then 90% off that. And this is little mermaids, starfish, hearts, shells. So this will be cute for, I thought some cute pop-up birthday cards would be cute on this. This was also Camp Ann. They had all their metal 90% off. These were $2.99. This is Wild and Free. Sorry for the, there we go. And 2 Adirondack chairs. Those are always fun. And two pine trees, which I'll use for Christmas. So, got that. That's all I got at JoAnne's. The next is Hobby Lobby. And they had the Memento. I can't see if it says Lurv or Live. Let's see. Lux. Memento Lux. This was $7.49 and I got it for $1.87. And Memento makes really good ink for those of you that stamp. And I got 2 of them in the red. I got another tri-blend that I used my coupon on. And for those of you that hasn't seen these, it's light, medium, and dark. And they work awesome. I used my coupon on that. Everything in the Paper Studio was 50% off, so this is for their cutter. And normally I don't like a lot of their brand of stuff, but their cutter works really, really well. These are some cute, these are wood buttons. They were, no, stickers. They were $3.99 and got them for 99 cents. So there's llamas and cactus and sun. So those are going to be fun to do projects with. I got some more. These are wooden stickers of faith, peace, love, and crosses. I thought these would be nice for sympathy cards. Those are the worst cards. I hate making those. This soccer, my granddaughter's soccer starts up again. This was 74 cents, so you can't go wrong there. I'm not a stamp collector, but I love vintage stuff, and I saw these in the clearance section. 65 postage stamps was $4.99, and I got it for $1.25. So I thought that would be fun for vintage tags, cards, or scrapbook album. And this one is called America at Work, which I thought was kind of interesting. And this one was 98 cents. And I went over to the buttons, and I got tacos, cactus, and succulents. These were 74 cents. And I just snipped the, oh no, it doesn't have a little thing on the back, so these are flat. So yeah, you'd be able to use these for projects without having to cut the, I forget what it's called on the back of the button, but anyway, these are super cute. Basic happy birthday stamps. This was $9.99 down to $2.49, and this is Stampabilities. So I thought that was really cute. I like the font on it. This is another one, Stampabilities. This was also $2.49, and I thought this is cute for Happy Mail or journaling because it's got a nice journal spot here. And another one, Stampabilities, and I thought this would be good for a planner. Stand firm in your faith. Keep calm and pray on. Follow his plan. But first pray. All I need today is a little bit of coffee and Jesus. So these are cute. I'll make some stuff for my mother-in-law for her Sunday school class. And the last thing that I got was a memory board. They were 50% off. And I'm going to take that to work. So let me bring my little pumpkin thing here. I know you can't see it real good. I'm going to do another video. But these are splatter guards from the Dollar Tree and rope. And I'm going to do a separate video on that. So anyway, that's my pre-hurricane. Oh, wait. I did have one more. I'm sorry. There was a book, a magazine from JoAnne's, and this will be a separate video showing all the cool stuff that came with that. So that's my pre-hurricane haul, and I've been working on crafts. Luckily, we did not lose power. So bye, buddy. Just thought I'd say hi, and wishing everybody safety, and miss you guys. Being that work full time is kind of hard to do videos now, but I will do my best. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my earlier videos and maybe you'll subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. So in the meantime, everybody stay safe and we will talk to you later. Bye now.